Good morning. Look at the view. Sea of clouds. It's pouring today. This mountain they called Puting Batu. Hyacinth still sleeping. Good morning, sky. Good morning, garden. As you can see, we have a lot of marang trees. I feel like I want to eat marang, so let's find one. I can feel there is ripe in this marang. Let's try a look. And look what I got. Oh my god. Let's try to pick this if this is ripe or not. Oh my god. Let's try to open. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yep. That's right. Oh my god, mate. It's so sweet. Okay. That's it. Bye bye.